figure out the layout for the new Olsa Tools magnetic 3-row magnetic socket holders or trays. Sorry, got the heat going this morning, so it's kind of loud out here, so hopefully you guys can hear me fairly well. So when you have as many sockets as I do, and hex bits and all sorts of other stuff, and I don't have a huge box. This is just the 80-inch Husky from, or 80-inch box from Husky, but the actual dimensions I think are like 21 by, I don't know, 60 or whatever, so it's not like terribly big. And these new trays do have a little bit of a footprint. I would say if you look at the distance, they're probably about an inch or so between rows, so that's some space that you kind of lose out on these trays. But so you have to have a box or a drawer rather that can accommodate them. That's my, last night I dropped a video and I was just kind of sharing the product with you guys, and today I'm kind of putting the product in use to kind of see what my first impressions are. So the trays are in fact large, but they have to be to accommodate not only 3 rows of different size sockets, but also the fact that they go up with a pretty good number. So you've got 27, from 10 to 27 I think on the 1/2-inch drive. You've got 6 to 20 on the 3/8, and 4 to 15 on the 1/4-inch drive, and then 3/8 to 1 1/4 on the 1/2 of the SAE, and then 1/4 to 1 inch for the 3/8 SAE, and then lastly 1/8 to 5/8 on the 1/4-inch drive. So that's a lot of sockets to try to put into a tray, as well as trying to keep everything legible and functional. But the magnetic base on these socket trays are excellent. Socket holders are excellent. So if you have any type of thick matting on here, when you close your drawer, it's going to close without, well, my drawer is all whopped out because of all the weight I've had in it over the years, but they're not going to move, I guess is what I'm trying to say. You can shake your drawer, you can slam it closed, slam it shut, and it's not going to matter very much. So that's a good thing about that.